It's a wonderful, wonderful, subtle idea that you're saying that we've not raised you to that level to be like a daughter, which is amazing. Okay, Gauri, let's start with you. You've always shown a very unique perspective of a woman through your films. What did you think about this little gem of an ad film?
Like I said earlier, like when Josie and Steve and Aarti, all they came to meet me and tell me this idea, I was blown. I was like, what a wonderful thought, and so delicately and so nuanced. I mean, yes, the thought is one thing, and to actually sort of narrate it and screenplay it in this fashion was beautiful. I mean, to say something so powerful in such a gentle way, and to actually tap such a key insight. I mean, I was blown, and I had to do it, and I wanted to do it. Hopefully, they're happy with.
We took our time, and she waited. She's a busy director, but she said, I give you time. And she gave us that time. Thank you.
It is truly a very, very artistic piece of work. Very, very nice. As the creative mind behind this, on the level of scripting, etc., from a male perspective, what were the various things that went in from your side into the making of this film?
Yeah, that's a big question. For us, one of the most sensitive points was that change point. How do we look at the son? How do we look at that relationship? The son is a victim of conditioning. He's not a villain. So we had to traverse that in a way that was inclusive. We didn't want to put anyone off. This was not about divisionary forces. This was not us versus them. It's recognizing what is. And that sensitivity, I think, is what Gauri brought in. And for us, that change point was critical because we didn't want to be heavy-handed, sharp, black and white. Life is not black and white. There's a roundedness that we captured, and Gauri did that.
On that note, we have a wonderful surprise for all of us. The film that launched on the 24th of Jan 2019, that's only 2 weeks ago, has garnered a massive, massive response in the number of views that it has got. And so let's quickly unveil the cupboard that hides the number of views